Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. We will continue with the lesson 7 algebra. Today we will do exercise 7.5. Question number 1. Check whether x is equal to 6 is the solution of the following equations. Number 1. 3x minus 7 is equal to 11. Students, here we have to put the value of 6 here. This is my LHS and this is my RHS. So I'll put the value of 6 in LHS and I'll see whether this and this both are equal or not. That is, my LHS and RHS are equal or not. Means the value of x is satisfying this equation or not. Now my LHS is 3x minus 7. So I'll substitute the value of x, that is 6. So I'll substitute the value of x in my LHS. So it will be 3 into 6 minus 7. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 7 is 11. And my RHS is also 11. So here my LHS and RHS are equal. So my value of x is 6. This is the right answer. Now let us do the second part. We have to check whether x is equal to 6 is the solution of equation 2x plus 5 is equal to 17. Student, here my LHS is 2x plus 5. Yes, this is my LHS, that is 2x plus 5. Now I'll put the value of x as 6 in this. So it will be 2 into 6 plus 5. Now 6 2s are 12 plus 5, which is 17, and which is my RHS also. So here also this value of 6 is satisfying this equation. Now students, you will do all the parts of question number 1. Let us start with the question number 2. Use trial and error method to find the solution of the following equations. First equation is 2x minus 2 is equal to 6. Students, trial and error method, you know. It means you have to try various values for x which will satisfy this equation. So you will start from 1 and you will go until this value of x satisfies this equation. Let us see how we will do this. See here, I'll start with 1. Here first of all I'll take the value of x as 1. Now this is my LHS and here I'll write the RHS. My LHS will be 2 into 1 minus 2, which is 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, which is not equal to 6. My RHS is 6, so here it is not equal to 6. So x is equal to 1 is not the value. Now come to x is equal to 2. So now here I'll put the value of x as 2. So it will be 2 into 2 minus 4. So here also 2 2s are 4. Sorry, minus 2 here, not 4. Here it is 2 into 2 minus 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again, which is not equal to 6. So 2 is also not the value here. Now come to x is equal to 3. So now I'll put the value of x as 3. So 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Again, which is not equal to 6. Now I'll put the value of x as 4. Now here 2 4s are 8 and 8 minus 2 is 6. Yes, my RHS is also 6. So this value of x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 is satisfying this equation. So value of x is here 4. Now one more question. Part 2, 3x is equal to 15. Here also I'll do in the very same way only. I'll take the value of x as 1 first. Here 3 into 1 is 3, which is not equal to 15. This is my RHS and this is my LHS. Now I'll take the value of x as 2. So 3 2s are 6. 6 is also not equal to 15. Now I'll take the value of x as 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 9 is not equal to 15. Now I'll take the value of x as 4. 4 3s are 12, which is not equal to 15. Now I'll take the value of x as 5. 5 3s are 15. Yes. Now here my both LHS and RHS are equal. So the solution is x is equal to 5. Here the value of x is 5. Now students, you will do all the parts of question number 2 also. Come to question number 3. Solve the following equations by using transposing the numbers. First one is x upon 4 plus 6 is equal to 11. Student, transposing the numbers means you have to transpose all the known quantities to one side and unknown quantities to the another side. Like I'll keep all my unknown quantities on LHS, that is left hand side, and all the known quantities to right hand side. This is my LHS. Here I'll keep all the unknown quantity. Here my unknown quantity is x. So now I'll transpose all the known quantities, that is 6 and 4 to right hand side. I'll transpose one by one. First I'll start from 6. Students, whenever we shift a number from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS, the sign is always changed. We always change the sign. So first of all, I'll shift this plus 6 from LHS to RHS. So when this will come here, LHS will come to the RHS, then plus 6 will become minus 6. So now here it will become x upon 4 is equal to 11 minus 6 is 5. Now I'll transpose this 4 from my LHS to RHS. See, here 4 is having the divide sign. So when it will shift from here to here, from LHS to RHS, this divide will become multiply. So here it will become x is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20. So value of x is 20. Now let us do the second question. 3x minus 7 is equal to 2x. Here my unknown quantity, there are two unknown quantities, 3x and 2x. So I'll shift my unknown quantities, that is 2x, from RHS to LHS. And this minus 7 I'll shift from my LHS to RHS. Now I'll shift 2x from RHS to LHS. Here no sign means plus sign. Now when it will come here, it will become minus 2x. Same ways, when 7 will shift from here to here, that is from LHS to RHS, minus 7 will become plus 7. Now 3x minus 2x is 1x is equal to 7. 1x means x only, so x is equal to 7. Now let us do one more part, that is the third part. It is x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Now I'll keep x here and I'll shift this 1 by 2 here. Now I'll take the LCM. So here no denominator means denominator 1. To make it 2, we will multiply by 2. So numerator also by 2. So it will become 4. So it is x, the value of x is 3 upon 2. Now come to question 4. Solve the following equations. Here students, it is simply written solve. It means you can use any of the method, the transposing method or trial and error method. But it is always better to use this transposing method. So I'll use this transposing method only. First question is x upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. Simply you will shift this 5. You will keep x here and you will shift this 5 from here to here. So here it is having divide sign. When it will come here, it will become multiply. So here I'll write multiply by 5. Now this 5 is cancelled with this. So my answer is 1. So value of x is equal to 1. Now I'll just do one more part. I will do the last part, that is the 15th part, which is 3 bracket x plus 2 is equal to 9. First of all, I'll solve this bracket. So 3 here, 3 into x, 3x. Then I'll multiply this 3 with 2. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 9. Now I'll keep my unknown quantity on LHS and this known quantity I'll shift to RHS. Plus will become minus. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. Now I'll just keep x here and I'll shift this known quantity also from LHS to RHS. Here no sign means multiply sign is there. So when it will shift, it will become divide, which is 1. So again here also value of x is equal to 1. Now you will complete exercise 7.5. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for the day. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom.